think we could do it. Folks, this is our grand finale. But we're only going to do it if you guys want to see it. Do you guys want to see it? We love your energy. We're going to do it. But first, we have a very important message for the kids.
For the kids.
Kids, listen up. If you want your mother, your father, everybody here to be proud of you, say no to drugs and alcohol and stay in school.
Yes.
Thank you. Let's not forget that the kids are the future. Also, take 1 second and look around you tonight. Everybody's different, but there's only one race, and that is the human race. That's why we should all learn how to live together and be more civilized. Sir, that's the part where you clap. If you clap with your hands in your pockets, it's not going to look good. And if you don't clap, everybody's going to think you're racist. And I know you're not, man. I love this guy. He always tips a 20. I love you, bro. Now check this out. We know that if we give everybody the grand finale right now, as soon as we do it, everybody's going to record it and then just walk away on us like our last show. We made no tips and we felt dumb. So we know right now is the perfect time to come around and collect your money. Now folks, if you have no cash on you, it's okay. Don't walk away. There's an ATM machine right over there. Now Santa Monica don't pay us. We pay them to perform here, and a good tip wherever you go is $20. There's 4 of us. We're praying to God we at least get 2 or 3. That's a good show. If you don't have a 20, it's okay. Give from the heart a 10 to 5, but please don't walk away. Stay and watch the best part. Shaggy, go straight towards the Telemundo lady. She looks like a future doctor. Go straight. She's not broke. Yeah, Soto, start with the lady right there. She's got a Louis Vuitton bag. It's not from the Callejones. Go.